this video, we're going to look at the two different types of data, the first being quantitative, the second being categorical. Quantitative data is anything that could be a measurement or a number, like a count. This tree measures 24 meters. The speed of this rocket could also be another example of quantitative information. Categorical data is anything that describes something, gives it a category. For example, I might ask you, what's your favorite animal? And you would pick from the ones above, or maybe some other animal would be your favorite. That's a category where animals are the category and your answer would be one of them. It's not measured. It won't be given as a number or numerical answer. Another example of this might be the countries you've visited. So if you gave me the number or the names of all the countries you've ever been to, and we looked at which country was visited the most. Now, the opposite, I could switch this up and say, how many countries have you visited? Once I say how many, then it becomes quantitative data because now it is a number that can be measured. So let's just sum that up with a quick formal definition. Quantitative data, these are data that take on numerical values that actually represent a measurement such as size, weight, how many, how long, a score on a test. Categorical data, these are data that take on values that describe some characteristic of something, such as the color of a shirt. Let's wrap up this video with some examples. We're going to identify whether the example given is talking about quantitative data with a Q, or if it's talking about categorical data with a C. The first one is talking about the color of shoes you have on. Well, is color a numerical answer? No, it's not. So our first one, we're going to put a C right there for categorical. The next one, how many pairs of shoes you own. So how many, that's kind of the clue right there. That's going to make this one quantitative. It's going to give us a numerical answer. The third one, your favorite flavor of ice cream. That's not going to be a number answer. So this one is categorical again. Then your mother's age when you were born, that's going to be a number. Age is a number. So this one is quantitative. How much money you have in your pocket? The answer might be 0, but it is quantitative because the amount of money you have is a number. The last one's a trick question. So your telephone number, while it is a number, it's not a measurement. All right, so this one is not a measurement. So you would never say that this one is quantitative because you can't add or subtract a telephone number from another telephone number. So we don't actually use it for numerical values. It's just an indicator of what to do to get a hold of you.